How to upgrade 2G device firmware. First, extract the downloaded upgrade files and place them in the D drive. Open the CH340 drive folder, then double-click to install the driver. Take out the configuration cable. Insert the USB end into the computer's USB port. Right-click My Computer, select Manage. Then in the Computer Management window, navigate to System Tools, Device Manager. Ports, locate the corresponding port and write down the COM number. Open the Extracted Upgrade Tool folder, go into the Output folder, and double-click the upgrade software to launch it. In the software interface, click the File menu, select Open Download Agent File, and click on the corresponding file. Go to the Options menu and check the required settings. Extract the firmware package for your specific device model to the D drive. Back in the software, find the Image folder option. Navigate to the folder containing the firmware package, select it, and confirm. Confirm the upgrade settings. From the File menu, select Scatter and Load. In the pop-up window, check only the GPS download item, then close the window. Connect the other end of the configuration cable to the corresponding port on the 2G device, usually located next to the SIM card slot. The device must be connected to external power, but remember, do not insert a SIM card. In the upgrade software, locate the COM port recorded earlier and click the Start button to begin the upgrade. When the upgrade progress reaches 100% and the progress bar turns green, click Stop All to complete the process.